Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's compilation will be on a few different 4Runners. And we'll be kicking off today's video with this 5th generation black 4Runner. This one's going with a 2.0 IFP setup for both front and rear, CAMBURG tubular uniball upper control arms, and some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. The wheels on this 4Runner, we're installing a set of fill vectors in a 17 by 8.5 with a positive 7 offset in a matte black finish. We're wrapping those bad boys up in a BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 in a 285/70/17 size. If you're new to the channel, welcome! Hope you guys stay, so make sure to subscribe so you can follow along with all of the builds that we do here. And if you're a regular here, welcome back. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South Del Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or feel free to message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. And as a friendly reminder, if you have product questions and are just looking for tech information, please contact the manufacturer themselves. As for us, we don't have the manpower to answer the phone calls that we get from around the world to help with installing parts on your own vehicle. Unfortunately, we're not a tech service. I hope you guys understand. I had to mention that because we're getting so many phone calls right now and it's actually tying up our phone lines and keeping us from actually helping our customers. Here's a set of field culvert wheels in a bronze finish, 17 by 9 with a positive 1 offset that we're wrapping up in a Toyo Open Country RT tire. With the Fox setup already installed on the vehicle, the wheels and tires are going on here. Here's a closer look so you can see the Fox 2.0 IFP setup with the CAMBURG tubular uniball upper control arms installed. The wheels and tires are going on here as well. Once the vehicle is back down to the ground, the wheels will be torqued down to spec. Black 4Runner is now done and the next one comes in. That silver 4Runner that you see here is getting another lift, wheels, and tires package. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, please follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Once the vehicle is in, our tech marks all 4 tires, notating its original position so the TPMS sensors get swapped over to the new wheels and go back to where they originally were. Once the vehicle goes up on the rack, first thing we do is remove the wheels and tires. We then remove all 4 TPMS sensors to swap over to the new wheels and tires. In this case, we're installing them on a new set of Method MR305s, known as the NVs, in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. We're doing this one in a matte black finish, and we're wrapping it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. We're going to be lifting the vehicle with some BILSTEIN 5100s and an Old Man Emu lift spring setup for both front and rear. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. As this silver one gets completed and gets pulled out, we're going to bring in another 4Runner. This is a magnetic gray metallic, 5th generation as well, Toyota 4Runner. Didn't get a chance to record the installation process of this Icon Stage 3 setup on here, but here it is completed and ready to roll out. We also installed a set of Goodyear Duratracks in a 285/70/17 size on the stock wheels. Last but not least, for today's video, we have this silver colored 4Runner. This one's going with a BILSTEIN 5100 setup also with Old Man Emu lift springs. This customer came in with some TRD Pro wheels already installed on the vehicle in a gunmetal finish that you see here. Tires are the Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. As this video comes to an end, we'd like to thank you for checking us out today. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, please take care, guys.